You're watching AI Time Capsules on Kathy Gets It Together. If you could step back to 1925 and ask people what the world would look like 100 years from now, what do you think they'd say? Flying cars? Robot servants? Maybe people living on Mars by now? Today, we're opening that time capsule, the dreams, sketches, and newspaper predictions from the Roaring 20s, to see which ones came true, which ones missed by a mile, and what they reveal about us. Welcome to AI Time Capsules, where history and the future finally sit down for coffee. In 1925, the world was buzzing. Radios had just become the center of the living room. Airplanes were new but thrilling. The average person had never seen television, let alone imagined the internet. Yet optimism was everywhere. The kind that only happens when a world freshly out of a war starts believing in progress again. Writers, scientists, and even children were asked, what will life be like in the year 2025? And they answered with hope, sometimes hilariously specific hope. One British writer predicted that everyone will own a personal flying machine. That one, not quite. Though if you count drones and electric cars, maybe they weren't totally wrong. We just traded wings for wheels. A French magazine predicted robot housemaids who would cook, clean, and answer the phone. If only they could see my smart speaker arguing with me about the weather. Close enough, right? Others imagined video calls through radio television boxes. That one nailed it. They pictured friends chatting across the ocean on glowing screens decades before FaceTime or Zoom. And then there were the bold dreamers who foresaw cities under glass domes to protect us from pollution, and meals in pill form to save time. Thankfully, we're still choosing tacos over tablets. Some ideas were beautifully strange. One artist imagined clothing that changed color with the weather. And now we actually have mood-sensing fabrics and light-reactive dyes. Another writer thought marriages would be renewed every 7 years, like a driver's license. That one might have been ahead of its time. But my favorite came from a 1920s school essay that said, in the future, people will not need to think. Machines will do it for them. It sounds innocent until you realize how close that feels to 2025. They imagined miracles of steel and glass, but few predicted the invisible world we actually live in. Wi-Fi, AI, streaming movies on a screen thinner than paper. They thought the future would be full of noise and metal. Instead, it's full of data and silence. Maybe the most touching thing about those predictions isn't what they got wrong, it's what they got right about the human spirit. They believed the future would be more connected, more efficient, more imaginative, and in so many ways, it is. As we step into our own uncertain decades ahead, maybe we're just 21st century versions of them, curious, hopeful, and still wondering what tomorrow might look like. I'm Kathy, and this was your first AI Time Capsule, where history dreams meet today's reality.